Today, I'm here with the brand new GMC Yukon Denali, and we're going to go over all the parts that come in our premium Blackout kit. Starting on the front end, we have this massive Blackout grille and snoot, which eliminates a huge chunk of chrome right off the bat. And right in the center, there's going to be a fully black GMC emblem that eliminates the red and chrome factory lettering. Below the grille, we have the Blackout fog bezel molding, which now extends across to each side with the facelift, and it sits right on top of that front bumper trim. What's neat is that all these parts undergo a specialized finishing process, where we dip them in a proprietary acid solution. It removes chrome plating and leaves a clean foundation for Blackout paint to adhere to. This provides excellent quality and durability, and allows you to keep that low profile appearance for years to come. As we start to move around to the side of this build, you'll notice these smoked side markers, which cut out that bright orange appearance and lend to that Blackout look. These are made with a tinted clear coat, which ensures there's no risk of peeling over time, which can happen if you use something like a tinted film. To really get that Blackout look, we went ahead and installed window tint, which pairs perfectly with our Blackout window molding. This creates a dark aesthetic that makes the vehicle feel cool and collected. It also provides privacy and protects from UV and infrared rays. Above the windows, we have Blackout roof rails, and below them, we have black door handles, along with fender vents, a Denali nameplate, and the lower body side molding. On the trunk, we'll find another black GMC emblem that pairs with the front, and it also goes along with these nice Yukon and Denali nameplates. All these nameplates and the lettering looks embossed against that black body paint and the newly black rear hatch valance. In addition, the rear bumper trim was also replaced with a Blackout version, and beneath that, the exhaust tips are powder-coated black. Though this is a Blackout build, we did want to paint the brake calipers red. Now, painted brake calipers are a quick and easy mod that you can make to any vehicle to add a personalized pop of color. If you want your wheels to match the Blackout appearance, you can always get a powder coat finish to keep your current wheel design, or you can select an all-new custom wheel design. If you're interested in a chrome delete for your GMC Yukon, we offer these replacement parts online for select models, or you can send your ride to our shop in St. Louis. What do you think of this Blackout build? Let us know in the comments down below. If you liked the video, smash that like button and subscribe for more custom automotive content. I'll see you next time.